Have you ever wondered how much it costs to live stream an event? Whether it's a wedding, conference, funeral, or any other special occasion, live streaming allows you to share the experience with people who can't be there in person. Live streaming an event can cost anywhere from absolutely nothing all the way up to thousands of dollars. The total expense depends on factors like the desired production quality, equipment, number of cameras, and whether you decide to live stream yourself or hire a professional videographer. In this video, we'll explore the various options and costs and let you know about the best and most budget-friendly choice for your live streaming needs. I'll first talk about free options and very affordable professional-grade DIY option, and then I'll mention how much it usually costs to hire a live streaming videographer. First, let's talk about free options and their limitations. The usual choices are platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Zoom to live stream an event from your smartphone for $0. However, they have major drawbacks when it comes to live streaming private events. Issues like lack of privacy, copyright music bans, viewers having trouble accessing the event, and potential interruptions from notifications or ads can really diminish the viewing experience. Now, let's talk about an affordable and probably the best solution in my opinion. Platform and app designed specifically for live streaming events that produces professional quality video live streams at fraction of the cost. This is where Event Live comes in as the perfect live streaming solution. This premium app allows you to use your smartphone to stream an event privately for a low fee of about $69. All you need is a tripod, which can cost as little as $25, and you've got an incredibly affordable live streaming setup. With Event Live, you get a private customizable live streaming page, a guest list with automatic reminders, a guest book or chat, unlimited free tests before the event, and an automatic backup recording available for replay for a year. It's an unbeatable value. To enhance audio, consider adding a wireless microphone for about $60 to $80. This elevates the production value greatly. Now, let's talk about hiring someone to do the live stream for you. For the ultimate professional live stream experience, hire a videographer or a company. We usually recommend finding someone who had event live streaming experience in the past. A single camera setup can cost anywhere from $700 to $2,500, while multi-camera with crew will usually cost anywhere from $1,500 and up. Many pros use Event Live for smaller gigs like weddings and memorials and typically charge around $850 for event. If you already own a professional camera and feel comfortable with using broadcasting software like OBS Studio, you can try doing the live stream yourself. You just have to find a destination platform like YouTube or Event Live. For most events, Event Live is the best blend of affordable cost and professional features. Its private streaming, customizations, and ease of use allow a high-quality experience without breaking the bank. While free platforms exist, they simply can't match Event Live's capabilities for live streaming important events. Try Event Live now by following the link in the description. There are many different options available for any budget. Make sure you choose the best option for you and your event. Thank you for watching.